Hey everyone, welcome to our Pick a Better Snack lesson for the month of May. This will be our last one coming to you in your homes. Wish we could be with you in the classroom, but really excited that we could be here and share some of our favorite foods with you. This month we are going to be having sugar snap peas. If you haven't had them before, I highly recommend them. They're delicious. Like most of our lessons, when you get to the part where you're going to try your sugar snap pea, I recommend doing some exploring with your senses, right? You can open up these delicious things, pull the seeds out of the center, and try and learn something new about your food as you're eating it, right? Make it a little more fun that way. All right, so with sugar snap peas, like usual, we get one of these handouts in class. Some exciting things that we know about sugar snap peas. Technically, if we're thinking about parts of the plant, right, the fruit is the part of the plant with seeds in it, and as we know, sugar snap peas have the seeds in them. So that would be the fruit part of the plant, right, the part that carries seeds around. Like other fruits, there's lots of vitamins in there, right? Sugar snap peas are especially high in vitamin C. They have lots of fiber in them, which keeps you full, right, and is good for balancing out your energy, right? Sugar snap peas grow on a vine. If you've ever been into a garden, you've probably seen green beans growing on a vine or other types of pea pods, right? They can also grow on a bush, but these sugar snap peas come on a vine. You can eat them fresh right out of the garden, or you can have them frozen. Frozen peas are another common thing that we eat at home, right? Peas and beans also have lots of protein in them, so these peas are a good source of protein. So it's interesting that you can kind of combine different categories on MyPlates for different foods, right? So we got a little bit of fruit, a little bit of protein from our sugar snap peas. We're going to talk quickly about MyPlate. So this month we started with our fruits, sugar snap peas, right? And we're talking about how they're high in vitamins. This is a great reason to eat fruit, right? Different colors of fruit represent different vitamins, right? So the more colorful your plate is, the more colorful your fruit is, the more vitamins you get in your body, right? So vitamin C is famous for helping us feel better if we're sick, right? It's like a protection against germs. And it helps your body heal faster. So if you have a cold or something like that, eating sugar snap peas is a good way to help your body heal itself. Now when we're eating vegetables, we also get these similar benefits, right? There's lots of different colors of veggies out there, and they come from different parts of a plant, right? The fruit is the part of the plant that has the seeds inside of it, but the vegetables can be things like a root, like a carrot or a potato. It could be a stem, like celery. It could be a flower like cauliflower or broccoli. It could be a leaf like lettuce or spinach, right? All the different parts of a plant can be eaten, and they have different vitamins and minerals in them, right? So the more variety of plant parts you eat, the healthier your body is going to be. Now, grains are one of the most popular foods in the American diet, right? Things like cereal and bread, pancakes, pastries, right? Things that we love to eat. Where do grains come from? They start off as a seed. Now, if you've ever seen like a stalk of grass out in a field with those little seeds on the top, that's how most grains start out, right? Like wheat. We go out and we pull those seeds off of the top of those stalks, and then you can grind them into flour and bake things like cookies or pancakes or bread, right? Sometimes we eat seeds whole, like rice or oats for oatmeal. Popcorn is also a great grain that we like to eat, so corn itself is a seed that we eat, right? So those all go in grain. Grain is really good because it gives your body lots of energy and fiber to keep you full, right? So this is a good way to fuel your body, eating healthy grains. Now, protein is a food that makes our muscles strong, right? So when we eat things like different types of beans and peas, we can get protein, plants that give us protein, right? Things like nuts and seeds, beans like garbanzo beans, black beans, kidney beans, right? And we can also get a lot of protein from types of meat, right? So we can get it from fish, which is really healthy, chicken, pork that comes from pig, right? Cows we get beef from, turkey, all kinds of different animals we can get protein from. And protein is really important for helping our bodies grow up strong and healthy, right? So as you guys are growing, eating protein is a great way to keep yourself strong and active. Lastly, we'll come to our dairy category, right? And dairy can come from an animal, like a cow, a goat, or a sheep, or it can come from different types of plants, right? So when we think about plant milks, we think about things like almond milk, coconut milk, cashew milk, rice milk. There's all kinds of different plant milks out there today. The most important thing about your dairy is the calcium, right? So calcium is what makes our teeth and bones stronger. Very important. Now you can also get calcium from green vegetables, right? It's one of those minerals that comes, it starts off in the ground, and plants will soak up those minerals through their roots. When you eat those plants, you get those minerals in your body. But it also comes in our dairy foods, right? So drinking milk, eating things like cheese and yogurt will get you calcium in your body, right? Very important. All of these things combine to have a healthy body, right? When we have lots of vitamins and minerals, our body stays healthy. When we eat grains, we get energy. When we get protein, our body gets stronger. And calcium improves our bones and teeth, right? All of those things together make us strong and healthy for a healthy life. All right, so I'm going to encourage you guys to try some version of peas or beans this month, right? If you have some frozen peas lying around, you can just heat those up and eat them on your own, or you can eat some fresh Sugar Snap peas. Enjoy.